Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Nizar. So today I would like to present my one of my portfolio that I make suddenly because my real portfolio is not ready enough for I presented to you. So this is the maybe like cadangan. I mean, what's how to say cadangan? Vice. I mean, like we can say the second portfolio. Okay, so my name is Nizar, and I am as a UI UX or a visual designer. I am a junior UI UX or and a visual designer. So not a senior, not a pro, not nothing lah. I mean like not an expert. No. Okay. Um, and then I can maybe like do something like product design and visual design and UI UX design. But product design, uh, I mean like I just come into this thing. Okay, and then this my about me thing. This is my about me thing. I'm a junior UI UX designer and a visual designer also, with a strong interest is in creating intuitive and user-centered digital experience. I was born in Depok, Java, East Java, West Java. I mean West Java in West Java beside Bogor and Jakarta. I mean like between them. Okay, uh, I was born in Depok on March 6, 2K9, 2009. I mean, okay, what's that? 2009, yeah. And currently, now I'm live in Bogor. Or how we say in Regency of Bogor, one of Regency of Bogor, we say it Cibinong. I enjoy designing clean interfaces, improving user flows, and turning ideas into functional and visual appealing designs. I'm continuously learning and developing my skills in UI UX to grow up as a professional designer. And inshallah, uh, I come into this school, Iden boarding school, that improving my I mean not improving but learn how to design a UI UX, a visual design like maybe UI UX like web design like Gojek or something else that connectly with UI UX design. And visual design too, I will sir how to say cenderung lebih menyukai gitu. Prevert, yeah. I prevert to visual designer because UI UX is to come to I mean like complex to hard for me, and maybe visual design is something that I can do with my imagination. And then this is my latest work on my project. So the first is one of my UI UX design that I post in Dribble. The name is Cinemax. Cinemax is like Netflix and Letterbox and Moviebox and the others that you can watch movie, short movie, a video or something that maybe the movie is famous in cinema or something. And then this is my most latest project. There is Noverich or dashboard project in 11 graders. Oh, wait, I forgot. I make this UI design Cinemax on 10 graders that I first come into EDN in 2K21. And this is my latest work, dashboard web design that named dashboard design. Yeah, Nova Reach. This is one of my best project because I make this very complex and very long time and hard work, but maybe it's not perfect, but this is my hardest work ever I do. And then this is one of my Instagram posts, visual design posts, or maybe like something that I post in my Instagram. The title is Sunnah Sebelum Ihram. One of my tasks is from fikih project. Sir, I'm sorry, pelajaran subject. The fikih subject in IDN, and this is one of the goodest visual design I've ever made, but not perfect, of course, because I just junior and I just uh, beginner. Yeah, beginner. And this is the next project, cinematic video or videograph. I made it on 11 graders too. That I made with Adobe Premiere, editing some video with color grading, with cinematography or something, and then I record it in EDN also because we cannot go outside to record some video, but I still made the best. And inshallah I still made the best I can do, the best cinematic video I can do. And next project is about the 3D icon blender. So in 10 graders, we back to 10 graders. I learned about Blender. What is Blender? Blender is like 3D software that make 3D design, that makes something look more realistic because 3D. And then I post this thing on Gumroad and I sell it, but no one is buying. Yeah, it's just something on SKL, maybe we can say it in here. So this is one of my hardest work too because Blender it's like uh, plain cockpit. So many button on the side, so many button on uh, maybe like inside that thing, that Blender thing. It's so many things also because so many button and so many technique you must menguasai, you must master it. And I make this 3D Blender icon. It's about rambu jalan apa sih? Rambu jalan. Oh, traffic icon. Yeah. This the project is like so damn hard, for real, so damn hard. No cap chat. I'm sorry. Because yeah, like I said before, Blender it's so hard, like a cockpit, plain cockpit. I mean, uh, without. And next is my latest project. It's my last project in 10 graders also. That I made this in Figma. This is the name of 3D isometric visual design. So this is the first 3D I made before in Figma, and first 3D I've learned in EDN also because my one of the hardest is this one of the hardest project is this one because maybe you know a 2D thing you make it like look like 3D. Before that this thing is just 2D, but because we play at the color grading and the selection color, I mean also the shadows, we have made the 3D isometric. and that one is the hardest one. Yeah, because we like playing the likes. I mean the likes, the sorot. Sir, how to say lightning? Yeah, lightning. Yeah. Oh, we play the lightning, and then we play the shadow. We play the color and the other things. Okay, so that all my latest project, but maybe it's not perfect. Maybe it's not perfect, but I will make it more than just design that can make you make your when you look at my design, maybe you will like interest to me. And then this just like some project that I post to in other platform, other web. This one like in Dribble, this one is Gumroad, Instagram. This is on YouTube in Gumroad too. The Blender is in Gumroad too, and then this is my self project. So I didn't post it on any platforms. Okay, maybe for the next is certificate, but I didn't place here. But because the certificate is gone. When I was get the certificate from Google Coursera, uh, because I don't have some KTP, I ID ID because I don't have ID. I use my ID my dad ID, my father KTP. I mean, okay. And then the name in certificate is not my name, but my father's name. So I find a solution to how to change the name, but I cannot found it. So the certificate is gone that I work 7 days, 7 days long, and then the certificate is gone. And that time I feel like, damn, bro, I cannot do this again. So, but I move on to that because the certificate is gone. Then I try to uh, forgot that thing. And then, yeah, just like this on my portfolio, maybe short, but it's not the all my portfolio. Later I will show you the real portfolio of me. Maybe like show all my UI UX design, show all my dashboard, show all my this thing. I mean like Instagram posts, and then show all my YouTube upload YouTube video. Because I have so many YouTube video about my project, and then the 3D icon blender, and then the 3D isometric. Okay, how many minutes? 30. Okay. Okay, maybe that's all from me. So I want to say thank you for you all to hear my presentation portfolio. Sorry if I had a mistake because I just a beginner, not a experter. Last I said, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.